Hello and welcome back to the Blush Studio. I am so excited to announce today the opening of my newest mini course, 3 Days to Better Architecture Drawing. In this course, I'm going to share with you 3 tips, 3 lessons really, that will build one upon the other. So step 1, in day 1, we'll kind of create a foundation, and every day after that we'll build upon that until we end with this beautiful venue illustration. Together we'll go through some of my favorite tips in order to create a venue illustration that not only communicates well to the viewer but is also really beautiful. So if you're ready to improve your architecture drawing abilities and just broaden your scope with drawing, I hope that you will join me on this free mini course. I know that we'll all improve through this, not only because I will be sharing some of my tips with you, but I always learn when you guys are communicating with me through these lessons, and I'm really excited to broaden my own horizon. To sign up for this free mini course, simply plug your email in the link that I provided down below, and I'll send you a link to the page with all of the lessons. You can do them all, in one sweep if you want, although I do recommend spacing some time out to really help all of these lessons kind of solidify in your mind. I'm so excited to get started and to see how you improve through this process. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started.